Alright, I've got my Frigidaire Gallery Series stacked washer and dryer unit. It is a single unit. They do not come apart. And I just wanted to show you in this video that they do in fact work perfect. So I've got a full load of jeans, mostly a couple towels, and they're going. And it's got a real good strong agitation. I've got the bleach thing here. I've just taken it out to clean it. So anyway, that's got its agitation going. Just started that cycle here that you see. It's got plenty of options on both. And the dryer is nice and clean. Essentially this thing's still in like new condition. So what I'm going to do is allow this thing to go ahead and run all the way through its cycle, and I'll let you listen on the spin so that you can hear it's nice and level and has a good sound to it. It's not off balance or anything. Then we'll move those clothes up to the dryer, and I'll show you that the dryer's heating appropriately and that it also sounds great. Let me see if I can let you see that this is in fact. See, it's got a good strong agitation to it. Those clothes get sucked all the way down to the bottom, and that's how the agitation cycle works. So we'll let this go through, and we'll get to the final spin, and I'll let you hear that. Alright, so we're coming in on that final spin now, and it is draining out all the water. So in this model it drains all the water and then it starts to spin. So I'm going to pause this for just... Okay, and that spin cycle is up to full speed now. I'm just going to... Oh yeah, I forgot this says a lock on it. So actually you can't open it up when it's spinning. But it is spinning. Sounds great. See, it's nice and stable. Not shaking or anything like that. Not that I can even get in there and it's too dark, but yeah, it's spinning nice and fast with such a heavy load. You see like my hand here, it's not shaking at all. It's in great shape and it sounds great. Alright, well I'm gonna let that finish up. Then we'll grab those clothes, move them up to the dryer and show that to you. Alright, so that's finished up. Got my bleach cap back on there. Nice. Oops, I missed a towel. So, and you can see these are nice and light. They all spun out nice and light. Toss that up in there. So all your clothes go up in there. Close that. We'll just hit this over on time dry. Be fine. High heat. Set go. It's a good idea to leave this closed so that these spots don't rub here, and I'm going to touch those up. I'm also going to show you that this is heating properly too, so we'll open that up here in just a second. I'll show you the temperature. Give it just a second to warm up. Otherwise it's pretty cool. You just go from here to here, and from these controls for the washer, these controls for the dryer. It's very simple to use. And we'll open this up. We'll shoot this right in there. You can see it is nice and hot. The inside temp will get anywhere from 100 to 195 degrees. Just depends on what your setting is. So, gets those nice and hot. Just hit go. You can do automatics also if you want. That runs and heats just as well. So we'll go ahead and let these finish up, but I really wanted you to just be able to see that this guy is in excellent shape, that what you're spending your money on actually works. And I'm going to do a little bit of touch up on just a couple of spots. So it's going to be cosmetically in like new condition, as well as now you know it runs excellent condition. So do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. If you have any questions on my ad at all, please reach out. Don't hesitate to ask. So y'all have a great day. Thank you.